Namaste and welcome everyone to another brand new episode of Campus Mirror. I'm Ashish Parekh. I'm back here at the Bennett University campus and I'm not here this week to talk about politics or anything as such. I'm here to explore a sporting sensation that the entire nation is talking about, something that's all over social media, something that everyone that I know is talking about. So what exactly is it? Well, let's go and find out. Everyone in India likes pickles and there seems to be a new one in the market, although with a twist. I'm talking about pickle ball. This seems to be the sport that's taking over India one court at a time, and I'm here at the Bennett University to find out what the buzz is all about. Pickleball is a fun and engaging sport that combines the elements of tennis, badminton and also ping pong. The game was invented in the summer of 1965 by Joel Pritchard and his friends Bill Bell and Barney McCullum. Pickleball is played on a small court with a net using solid paddles and a lightweight perforated plastic ball. Speaking of the court now, it is 20 feet wide and 44 feet long, similar to that of a doubles badminton court. Players use paddles that are larger than table tennis paddles and also a ball that has holes in it, making it lightweight and also very easy to handle. Alright, we're finally here on the court now to play the pickleball. Dr. Arun is here to teach us how to play this. I'm a novice. I don't know how to play this, but I've got a very mean forehand as far as lawn tennis is concerned. Now teach me, how do we play this? So you only serve underhand, no overhand. Speaking of the serve now, the serve must be made underhand. The server must stand behind the baseline and also the serve should always be cross court. And the scoring system is also a little tricky. Games are typically played to 11 points. Only the serving team can score points. If the serving team wins a rally, they earn a point. If they lose, well, nobody scores. Players then switch the serving sides after scoring points, and if the serving team loses a rally, the serve then goes to the other team. Most importantly, players cannot hit the ball on the full in the kitchen area. This is an absolutely no-go zone. It's a no-rally zone, and the players must let the ball bounce to ensure longer rallies. You know what? All the rules and regulations of pickleball are too exhausting for me for the first day. I'm going to do what I do in cricket. See the ball, hit the ball. Well, with so many unforced errors, looks like my pickleball skills need a little pickling. But one thing is very clear, there's a big growing market for pickleball in India. In fact, the Times Group, the Pickleball World Rankings and the Dynamic Universal Pickleball Rating are bringing 8-time Grand Slam champion and former world number 1 tennis player Andre Agassi to India in January 2025 to officially flag off a Grand Pickleball Tour that promises to bring the thrill of competitive pickleball to India. And if you look closely, pickleball is not just a recreational sport anymore. Especially in India, a lot of players are going pro, and this is now emerging as the next big thing in the world of sports.
Pickleball is gaining ground as a game for urban sports enthusiasts. Anybody who's played table tennis, badminton or tennis will pick up this game very easily. Times Group is known for its innovation and its ability to be ahead of the curve in every one of its initiatives.
For pickleball to grow in India, a lot of changes need to happen at the campuses. Consider Bennett University. Bennett has 10 dedicated pickleball courts, and the pickleball culture here is only growing exponentially with every passing day. Given its simplicity and also low intensity, pickleball really has become popular in India. What we're being told is that there are around 10,000 registered pickleball players in India, and in fact, if you consider the amateur players, this number shoots up to around 45,000. That's quite a big number for a sport that I hadn't even heard about just a few days back. But what really makes it popular? Are students really taking to pickleball? What generation of players are playing that. To talk more about that, I've got the coach with me, Dr. Arun, who trains all these wonderful players here. Arunji, I see a lot of players playing here. I didn't expect that much. I thought there might be like 6-7 players probably. We've got 3 courts full. Help us understand, how do you convince students to play this, or do you have to convince, or they just look at the game and they're like, well, this looks interesting, let me play it?
No, student is more excited about learning new things, and when we introduce this pickleball, students are really wanted to know how game is going to play, or how they can explore it. So अगर हम पिकल बॉल की बात करते हैं तो वैसे तो इंट्रोड्यूस ये यूएस में हुआ था 1965 में, बट इंडिया में आते आते इसे मतलब ड्यूरिंग कोविड ही आया था.
काफ़ी टाइम लग गया
इसको, और पहले बहुत सारे प्रो प्लेयर इसको एज ए रिक्रेशनल गेम मानते थे, बट जैसे जैसे ये ग्रो हुआ, इंडिया में आया और बाकी अदर नेशन ने इसको खेलना स्टार्ट किया, तो जो प्रो टेनिस प्लेयर थे उनका भी जो माइंडसेट था वो धीरे धीरे चेंज होता गया, और उनको ये लगा कि नहीं, ये भी एक पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स है, और सेम काइंड ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, इंड्योरेंस, जो हमारे मोटर कंपोनेंट्स हैं फिटनेस के, सेम काइंड ऑफ फिटनेस यहाँ भी चाहिए होती है. तो लास्ट ईयर हमने फर्स्ट इसकी वर्कशॉप कराई थी 2023 में, अक्टूबर में, और ये जितने प्लेयर आप देख रहे हो उसमें से कुछ टेनिस का है, कुछ टीटी का है, और कुछ बैडमिंटन का है. उसके बाद धीरे धीरे जब इन स्टूडेंट्स को इंट्रोड्यूस कराया, वर्कशॉप कराई, तो ये स्टूडेंट एक्साइटेड हुए इसको खेलने के लिए. और रिसेंटली लास्ट ईयर भी इन्होंने 3 से 4 चैम्पियनशिप खेली है, जिसमें ये विनर भी रहे. इवन दिल्ली में जो विंटर कार्निवल हुआ था, जिसमें मतलब बिगनर का जो टूर्नामेंट था, उसमें हमारे ही तीनों प्लेयर जो थे वो फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड थे. और उसके बाद हम मुंबई भी खेलने गए, और रिसेंटली हम दिल्ली में एक और चैम्पियनशिप हुई है, उसमें भी हमारे ही प्लेयर जीत के आए हैं. और इसमें जिस बच्चे का लेवल थोड़ा अच्छा हुआ, उसको हमने प्रो में डाला, एडवांस में डाला, और वहाँ भी एक क्वार्टर फाइनल, सेमीफाइनल तक रीच आउट किए. बट अब हाँ, ये है कि यहाँ पे हमने एक एक एरिना ऐसा सेट कर दिया है कि स्टूडेंट जो है वो मॉर्निंग में या इवनिंग में अपनी एक्टिविटी को एंजॉय करता है यहाँ पे. और
एक तो मुझे ये बताइए कि ये पैडल और ये बॉल इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है. पैडल किसी से पूछते हैं कि अगर कोई पैडल दे सके हमें. वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हियर, let's look at the paddle also, because it seems very interesting. I mean, I don't know, this looks like a hybrid of a tennis racket and a table tennis paddle.
आप कह सकते हो कि ये मिक्सचर ही है, क्योंकि जो टेनिस रैकेट होता है या बैडमिंटन रैकेट होता है, उसमें ग्रेन्स होती है, लाइक स्ट्रिंग्स होती है. और अगर हम टीटी टेनिस की बात करते हैं, टेबल टेनिस की बात करते हैं, तो उसमें सेम काइंड ऑफ फाइबर और जो वुड होता है वो यूज़ होता है. इसमें भी वही टाइप का है, और इसमें भी बेसिक से लेके बहुत एडवांस रैकेट आ चुके हैं. अभी अगर आप इस रैकेट को देखेंगे तो ये एक मिडल रैकेट है, जिसमें शायद जो बिगिनर से अबव प्लेयर है वो इसको यूज़ करते हैं. अगर आप हाई क्वालिटी का रैकेट देखोगे तो वो हेड बना रहा या फ्रैंकलिन बना रहा, जिसकी कॉस्ट समवेयर अराउंड 15 से 20,000 के बीच में. और उसका जो डिफरेंस है ग्रेन्स में, ये रैकेट का भी सेम डिफरेंस होता है. अगर हम जैसे क्रिकेट की बात करते हैं, उसमें भी ग्रेन्स होती है, जिसमें स्ट्रोक होता है, फास्ट मूवमेंट होती है, कंट्रोल होता है. सेम काइंड ऑफ बायोमैकेनिक्स और सेम काइंड ऑफ जो साइंस है, इसके अंदर भी धीरे धीरे इंट्रोड्यूस होती जा रही है. जब प्लेयर खेलता है तो उसको कैसे कंट्रोल करना है, कैसे फास्ट करना है, इस रैकेट का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. सेम काइंड ऑफ जो आप बॉल देख रहे हो, ये बेसिकली आउटडोर में.
ये आप मुझे बॉल के बारे में बताइए, क्योंकि ये लग तो ऐसे रही है जैसे प्लास्टिक बॉल. आई मीन, आई प्लेड क्रिकेट विद इट.
इसमें भी मिक्सचर है प्लास्टिक और रबड़ का, क्योंकि ये अभी आप देखोगे नीचे, अगर फ्लोर देखोगे तो ये सिंथेटिक फ्लोर है. सिंथेटिक फ्लोर में क्या है कि प्लास्टिक थोड़ा सा इसकी क्वालिटी और वो हाई है, और प्लास्टिक का जो लेवल है या जो क्वांटिटी है वो भी इसमें हाई रखी हुई है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिंथेटिक पे प्लास्टिक का जो बाउंस है वो अच्छा रहता है.
दिखाइए हमें.
अगर आप यही बात करेंगे इंडोर गेम की, तो इंडोर गेम में क्या है, जो मैट पे होगा उसमें थोड़ी सी रबड़ की क्वालिटी जो है वो हाई है, ताकि मैट के अंदर और एक्रेलिक फ्लोरिंग के अंदर बाउंस का थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस आता है. तो रबड़ को वहाँ ज़्यादा रखा गया है एज़ पर कम्पेयर टू आउटडोर प्लास्टिक बॉल, जिससे क्या है, बाउंस सेम काइंड ऑफ आउटडोर में भी मिले, सेम काइंड ऑफ इंडोर में भी.
ओके. और अब, I mean, one of the interesting things that we also need to talk about is the age group that's playing it. I look at mostly youngsters playing it, but all the social media posts that I saw, people who are aged 50, 60, even they are coming out and playing. So What makes pickleball so popular across all age groups? The youngsters are playing it, the older people, the middle-aged people, everyone seems to be playing it.
अगर आप कॉलेज की बात करोगे तो मेरे पास तो जो एज ग्रुप है 17 से 24 के बीच में मिलेगा, तो ऑलमोस्ट यही हमें यहाँ खेलते हुए नज़र आएंगे। लेकिन अगर अब आप बात करोगे एक प्रो चैम्पियनशिप की जो बाहर स्टेट्स में ऑर्गेनाइज हो रही है, तो उसमें आपको हर एज ग्रुप का जो प्लेयर्स है वो वहाँ पे मिल जाएगा, जिसमें आपको मतलब बिलो 10 ईयर्स का भी मिल जाएगा, अंडर 16 भी मिल जाएगा, अंडर 18 भी मिल जाएगा, 25 भी मिल जाएगा, मतलब ऑल एज ग्रुप। ये जो टूर्नामेंट आजकल कंडक्ट हो रहे हैं 10 ईयर से लेकर के 70 ईयर्स तक के टूर्नामेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहे हैं, और ऐसे ही लोग जो रिक्रिएशनल पर्पस से भी इसको खेलते थे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे ये प्रोफेशनलिज्म में आता जा रहा है, और प्रोफेशनलिज्म को इसमें लाने का जो हमारे इंडिया के अंदर लीग्स है या जो बाहर लीग चल रही है उसका बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है किसी भी गेम को या पिकल बॉल को ही फेमस करने का। इनिशियल अगर हम लास्ट ईयर की बात करेंगे तो इसको हार्डली 2 और 3 स्टेट ने ही पिकअप किया था इस गेम को, लेकिन आज की हम बात करेंगे तो इसमें समवेयर अराउंड 18 से 19 स्टेट जो हैं वो इस गेम को पिक कर चुके हैं, और इस गेम के टूर्नामेंट अपनी अपनी स्टेट में ऑर्गेनाइज कर चुके हैं, और अपने अपने स्टेट प्लेयर्स की रैंकिंग को डिसाइड कर चुके हैं कि हाँ हमारी स्टेट का बेस्ट प्लेयर ये है।
No doubt started off as a recreational sport in our country, but if you look at the kind of players that are playing, if you look at the level of competition, it's slowly turning out to be a really serious sport. There are a lot of players who are playing it as well, transitioning from different sports towards pickleball. What are the reasons? What exactly is the reason why pickleball is drawing players from different sports? That's a very interesting question. In fact, we have a lot of students here. These are the pro players who represent Bennett. Some of them have also transitioned from different sports as well. Did you play some other sport earlier?
Yes, I used to play tennis.
What made you come to pickleball?
It was easy to adapt, first of all, and the best part of the game is that it's quick. You can just, play a lot of games in short period of time. That's what I like about the game, and the rally part is amazing. When you start doing rally, then it's like you're not going to leave this sport. You will love it, definitely. So I would say just give it a try. You will definitely love this sport, and there are a lot of workshops happening right now. I guess of Spotify here in Bennett it had happened. That made us introduced to pickleball. And
All right. What sport did you play?
I used to play squash.
You used to play squash.
Yeah.
What made you come here?
So it's relatively easy to pick up sport, and right now the market has been boomed since COVID time. So since then I've started playing for a year. When we got introduced to pickleball, when was that? Last year when Spotify happened, we got introduced to the sport. So we are playing since then, and workshops are happening every month from different states. State players come here and play the sport, so we get a good exposure.
Pickleball is one of those very rare games where gender is not a factor until the intermediary level. So some girls here, I believe you also used to play a different sport and you transitioned to pickleball. First, tell me why did you do that, and secondly, how are you enjoying the sport?
Okay, so I used to play tennis, lawn tennis. I picked up this sport because this college introduced me to the sport. As someone who plays racket sport, because it's come from a racket sports family, it is very easy to pick this sport actually. It's little bit, it requires less intensity, and if you can pick this sport at any point of your lifetime. As my fellow players said, we attended Spotify Pickleball Championship. There I got to see that every person, whether it's 40-year-old, 50-year-old, even 9-year-old person were playing, and they were so good at it. Like they were looking like a pro tennis player. As I played tennis, I started playing tennis 2 years back, and I go some sort of struggling because it required a lot of power and all. But pickleball is somehow a little bit less intensity required. That's why it was easy to pick up, and we had a lot of fun.
So clearly different reasons why everyone seems to be picking up the sport, and you seem to be getting a lot of opportunities as well here at Bennett. What are the kind of tournaments that you see here being organized at the university, and also as a player who wants to transition into a pro, what are the future opportunities that you see, especially with pickleball growing in popularity in India?
Yeah, so we have attended a lot of tournaments across Delhi NCR and also in Maharashtra.
But what I think is really special about Bennett University is we have a lot of courts here, and a lot of pickleball courts here. We have 2 arenas of pickleball courts, so that is something which is very special in Bennett University. Also, what I think is the volunteers and the referees that you get here in Bennett University is very different from what you can get in other tournaments. And also because a lot of students here play pickleball, so they can also assist in playing pickleball and overall boom the experience of the tournament. What is really fascinating about pickleball in Bennett is the support that we get from the faculty and from our coach, and that is why I think it is growing at a very, very great rate here in Bennett University.
Okay, how do you see your future in pickleball?
See, I've been playing like tennis before, table tennis. Then I shifted to pickleball. It's a great sport. In every age category, people can play this game. Also, like in future, I'm saying like I used to play tennis, table tennis. So I have played many inter colleges. So in this game, I have played around 2 to 3 tournaments. So it's a great sport to look after for every age category.
What do you think?
It's a growing sport, so we have a lot of opportunities. It has a great future, and because it's easy to adapt. So
Easy adaptability. I think that's one buzzword that everyone's talking about, the fact that it's very easy to adapt. Also, the rackets and all seem different. Like your racket is much more different than this. Is there a difference in quality? Is this again like a cricket bat wherein you have different qualities?
The paddles have really evolved since the incoming of pickleball. So there are mainly 2 lengths. There is 14 mm and 16 mm.
Okay.
So 14 mm is used by the beginners who want to learn the drive, but 16 mm is used by the more pro players who want the power, the sweet spot. These are 16 mm. Now the next part comes the surface and the internal. So the grit level, the pattern inside. So that increases or decreases as we go up in price. So it is really good to see that pickleball has seen such a rapid increase. So I have not seen any. For example, it is really an USA dominated sport right now, but I want to see India grow.
You want to see India grow. Do you think India has the potential now to win a few medals with pickleball?
Yes, sir, we definitely have the opportunity to win medals, as even very youngsters and even people are also trying to play games like pickleball, and they are also encouraging others to play the game.
Okay, I was told that you're the youngest pickleball player here, if I can call you so. When did you start playing the sport?
I started playing the sport yesterday.
You started playing it yesterday?
I play lawn tennis from 5 years, so I started playing the pickleball yesterday with my friends.
Okay, so you are the most unbiased person to talk to, because everyone here is a pickleball player and they'll all hail pickleball, they'll talk good about it. You tell me, what is your experience been with pickleball?
I will tell that lawn tennis is better because I play that. That no fans, no biased judgment, but I think that it's an interesting sport and they have many courts. People can play new sport. I think students should participate in various sports to think the more interest they have in which sport. So I think everyone should try that sport.
Absolutely. So clearly very interesting opinions here coming in from the players as well. These players are not players who grew up watching pickleball or playing pickleball. These are players who picked it up now at a later stage, and everyone seems to be having a good time. Some of them even are now pro players representing their college and also aspire to win medals for India in the future. All right.
Thank you.
My pickleball skills definitely need some pickling. But thank you guys. Thank you for the game. Very well played. Thank you for teaching me. Quite an experience. I hope I didn't disappoint you guys.
no, you played well.
All right, guys. So that's it from my end here at the campus mirror. We are at the Bennett University campus. Beautiful, beautiful game. Of course, the feedback here is that it's not as tiring as tennis or table tennis. It's not even as skill-based as table tennis. But again, at the end of the day, it's a fun sport, and you actually kind of understand why people from across all the age groups are actually playing this game. The fact that it does not put too much pressure on your body. You can enjoy it. You can do it to stay active. You can turn a pro player. Opportunities are unlimited. We'll be joining you back next week on yet another episode of Campus Mirror.